Artificial intelligence is changing cybersecurity faster than ever before. Whether you're learning ethical hacking, studying for certifications, or working in IT, you've probably heard about two powerful AI assistants, ChatGPT and DeepSeek, but which one is actually better for ethical hackers? Can one write better code? Explain cybersecurity concepts more clearly? Or help you learn faster? In this video, we'll compare ChatGPT and DeepSeek across real-world cybersecurity tasks and help you decide which AI fits your workflow. This comparison is for educational and defensive cybersecurity purposes only. Let's dive in. What are ChatGPT and DeepSeek? Both ChatGPT and DeepSeek are advanced AI language models. They can answer questions, explain technical topics, write code, summarize documents, and assist with problem solving. For cybersecurity learners, they can act like personal tutors, helping explain networking, operating systems, cryptography, malware analysis, web security, and programming. However, neither AI should be treated as an unquestionable source. They can both make mistakes or provide outdated information, so it's important to verify their answers using official documentation and trusted cybersecurity resources. Test 1. Learning cybersecurity concepts. Suppose you're learning about SQL injection or cross-site scripting. A good AI shouldn't just define these attacks. It should explain how they work, why they happen, what risks they pose, and how developers can defend against them. ChatGPT usually provides step-by-step explanations using simple language, making it especially helpful for beginners. DeepSeek often gives shorter, more technical answers that experienced users may appreciate. If you're just starting your cybersecurity journey, ChatGPT may feel easier to understand. If you already know the basics, DeepSeek's concise style can be efficient. Test 2. Coding and automation. Programming is a key skill for ethical hackers. Whether you're writing Python scripts, Bash commands, or PowerShell automation, AI can save time by explaining code, finding bugs, or suggesting improvements. Both ChatGPT and DeepSeek perform well when helping write legitimate administrative or defensive scripts, such as log analysis, file organization, or automation tasks. ChatGPT often includes detailed explanations alongside the code, helping you understand why it works. DeepSeek tends to generate compact solutions with less explanation, which some advanced users prefer. No matter which AI you use, never run generated code without reviewing and testing it in a safe environment. Test 3. Study and research. Preparing for certifications like Security Plus, SHE, PNPT, or CISSP requires a lot of reading and practice. Both AI assistants can create quizzes, summarize study material, explain difficult concepts, generate flashcards, and compare security frameworks. They can also help you understand networking protocols, encryption methods, security policies, and common attack techniques from a defensive perspective. For research, many professionals use both AIs to compare explanations and then verify the information through official documentation. This approach reduces the chance of relying on incorrect or incomplete answers. Final verdict. So, which AI is better for ethical hackers? If you're looking for beginner-friendly explanations, interactive learning, and detailed guidance, ChatGPT* is an excellent choice. If you prefer concise technical responses and another perspective on coding or research questions, DeepSeek* is also a strong option. The reality is that many cybersecurity professionals use more than one AI assistant. Comparing answers, verifying facts, and testing ideas in authorized lab environments leads to better learning than relying on a single tool. At the end of the day, AI is just that, an assistant. Your critical thinking, hands-on practice, and understanding of cybersecurity fundamentals are what truly make you a skilled ethical hacker. If you found this comparison helpful, leave a comment telling us which AI you use the most and why. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.